Trying to learn Japanese? Get the lessons that are perfect for you. Click here to get your free lifetime account.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide.
In this lesson, you learn the particle から。
This particle is called the starting point particle because it tells you when or where something begins.
It means from.
When meaning from, this particle comes after a noun. Let's see a sentence.
3時からミーティングがあります。
Literally, it means there's a meeting from 3, but you can also translate it as we have a meeting at 3. Which expression marks the starting point?
3時から。
Literally, from 3 o'clock. Then it says there is a meeting.
ミーティングがあります。
Let's hear an example with a place as starting point.
ここから駅は近いです。
From here, the train station is close. Which expression do you think marks the starting point?
ここから。
Yes, which means from here. Then it says the train station is close.
駅は近いです。
Let's take a look at a few more examples.
ベランダから洗濯物が落ちました。
The laundry fell off the balcony.
試合は8時からです。
The game starts at 8 o'clock.
東京から新幹線で行きました。
I went there from Tokyo by a bullet train. This particle can also indicate materials.
Also, in this case, you can translate it as from.
Let's hear an example.
ぶどうからワインを作る。
I make wine from grapes. Let's hear again the expression which indicates the material.
ぶどうから。
We saw another particle that could be used for the same purpose.
で also indicates the material something is made of or from.
Is there a difference between them?
Yes, から is only used when the material doesn't appear to be in its original state.
So when the nature of the material is obvious, you should use で. When the product is the result of material going through a somewhat complex process, you can mark the material either with で or から. Let's take a look at a few more examples with the same particle used to indicate materials.
米からお酒を作ります。
I make sake from rice.
私は木から和紙を作りました。
I made Japanese washi paper from wood.
このセーターはペットボトルから作られています。
This sweater is made from plastic bottles. In this lesson, you learned about the particle
から。
Be sure to like the video and subscribe so that you don't miss all of the Japanese lessons that are coming soon. And if you want to learn even faster, go to JapanesePod101.com and sign up for your free lifetime account to unlock the Ultimate Japanese Particle Guide, the complete video course on particles. Click the link in the lesson description to get your free lifetime account right now. In the next lesson, you'll learn about the particle
まで。
See you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye!